how to find a list of all of the stations which will appear in your train journey, whether the train will halt in them or not. So this list will include all of the stations within which the train will pass, and it will also contains those stations where the train will have a halt, and also those stations which the train will going to skip. So let me show you how you can do this in your Android or iOS devices using the Where is my train application. So in order to start, the first thing that you will need to do is download the Where is my train application from the Apple Store or the Play Store. And then once your application has been successfully downloaded, simply launch it by tapping onto the app icon. And now once the application launches, you will need to connect your PNR with the application. So to connect your PNR with the application, click onto this PNR button at the bottom left and type in your PNR number in this field and click onto this find PNR status. Once you will do this, you will be logged into a new page, and from there you will need to solve a captcha, and after solving the captcha you will have your PNR linked within the app and it will appear like this PNR right here. So once the PNR is available within the application itself, you will need to click onto this maps icon at the right hand side of this particular PNR. And once you will do this, you can see all of the stations where the train will have a halt, and here is the source and the destination station. Now if you want to see all of the stations even where the train will not halt, then what you can do is simply start tapping on between the stations, and here you can see it will show all of the stations which will be skipped by the train. And for those stations which do not have an intermediate station, you will get a message like this that says no intermediate stations present. So you can tap on between all of the stations and then you will see all of the list of those stations between whom there are stations which will be going to get skipped within your train journey. So that's how easily you can find the list of all of the halting and non-halting stations of your train using the Where is my train application. So thanks for watching and have a nice day.